Want to know how to set up AdCreative AI for your Shopify store in just a few simple steps? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to integrate AdCreative AI with your Shopify store to skyrocket your ad performance and get the best results possible with minimal effort. If you're new to AdCreative AI, this is a game-changing tool that uses AI to generate high-converting ads optimized for your target audience in seconds. It's designed to make your ad creation process quicker, smarter, and more effective. But before we dive in, I've got a special bonus for you. You can access AdCreative AI for completely free from the link below, and I'll also share some exclusive bonuses you can't get anywhere else. So stick around until the end for more on that. All right, let's get into the setup. First, head over to the AdCreative AI website and create your account. The registration process is straightforward. Just enter your email and set up a password. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a clean dashboard where the magic happens. To connect AdCreative AI with your Shopify store, go to the integration section. This is where you'll link your Shopify account. AdCreative AI makes it easy with one-click integrations, so no technical skills required. You'll just need to grant permission for AdCreative AI to access your store's data and campaign insights. Once connected, AdCreative AI will pull in your product data from Shopify. It will analyze your best-selling products and automatically create a variety of ad creatives tailored to your products, audience, and objectives. This step saves you hours of brainstorming and designing. The AI does it all for you. Now, let's move on to the ad creation process. AdCreative AI has a simple interface that allows you to create ads quickly. Choose your campaign objective, whether it's conversions, traffic, or something else, and let the AI do its magic. The AI will analyze your audience's behaviors and create ads that are highly likely to engage and convert. One of the best features of AdCreative AI is its ability to generate multiple versions of your ads. Instead of just one creative, you'll get several different variations, so you can test them and find the ones that perform best. This is incredibly useful because testing ads manually can be time-consuming and costly. With AdCreative AI, you can do it all at once. Next, you can customize your ads further. If you want to make any adjustments, whether it's changing the text, tweaking the design, or updating the call to action, it's super easy. But even if you don't touch a thing, AdCreative AI ensures that each ad is optimized for maximum performance, meaning you can just upload them and get back to focusing on running your business. Once your ads are ready, simply sync them to your Shopify store. AdCreative AI integrates seamlessly with your Shopify campaigns, so you can launch your ads directly on Facebook, Instagram, Google, or other platforms with a click of a button. This integration makes it a breeze to get your ads up and running without leaving the platform. As you run your ads, AdCreative AI will continue to learn from the data and optimize your ads in real time. It uses advanced AI algorithms to tweak your creatives for even better performance as it gathers more data. This constant optimization is one of the reasons why AdCreative AI delivers such strong results. Now, here's the best part. AdCreative AI offers a comprehensive dashboard where you can track your campaign's performance. You'll see how well each ad is doing, how much you're spending, and where your ROI is coming from. This data is invaluable for refining your ad strategies and scaling your business. Don't forget to check out the exclusive bonuses I mentioned earlier. You can access an extended free trial of AdCreative AI by clicking the first link in the description below. It's a limited time offer, so be sure to grab it while you can. So to wrap up, setting up AdCreative AI for Shopify is easy, fast, and can transform the way you create and manage your ads. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a Shopify store owner just getting started, AdCreative AI is the tool you need to boost your ad performance without all the hassle. Make sure to grab your free trial and exclusive bonuses now, and get started on making your ads smarter and more efficient today. Thanks for watching.